Hey, what's up? So my wife and I have been talking and we've decided to start looking for some property to maybe build a cabin on or maybe just have as an investment property, but we wanted to find something up in the mountains near where we live. So today we're gonna go check out some places and see if anything kind of fits the bill, but this is the first time that we're going out and looking, so we don't know if we're gonna find anything, but let's just go check and see. Woo! So I don't think the places we looked at are going to work for us, but it was awesome to get out there and explore and kind of see what there is, and we'll keep searching. But that's all for now. You guys take it easy and have a wonderful day. See ya!